Hello friends, how are you? My name is Manish Sinha and today we have to discuss about the words, and I think we have to share with you due to coronavirus the all country that should be suffering uh, for every person, every life, and a lot of many problems and employment is comes in front of all the person, and all the person who doesn't know how can he earn the money, because I feel all the friends are my friends, all the family is my family. So we have to think about that. We have to share the message for all the people who are very good and beautiful. But the main thing is this ki how can we remove these problems? The main thing is this ki not coronavirus, the some countries who uh, who want to created these problems. I feel that China is a very very bad country. He spread the coronavirus all over world. Why we have to say? Because the all country who want to investigate that the coronavirus in China, Wuhan, he is not ready to face this problem. If he is innocent, that he is not abstract that all the problems which want all the countries. So this is very difficult this time, and the China takes action uh, for many countries to fight with the economy and the military portion and the other things, trade. This is not a good for the world, because the all the countries who think about that the coronavirus is spread by the China at Wuhan. Why? Why he think that? Because the first spread in Wuhan coronavirus, and he is not informed the world. Why? This is a big problem. So my friends, what you have to think about that? Please comment what you think. If the China is innocent, who allowed to investigate that coronavirus at Wuhan, but this time he is very aggressive in the military area, and he gets the monopoly to the world, and he think about that he is a superpower country. So this is very bad thing, and this is not true. Present time China who want to fight with India, and India is regularly and per day he responds to China and fight them to China. Every day we have to hear this time the starting dispute are created by the China with India, but India is respond properly and strongly. This time is think about that, and he do the steps. First he says that he talking on the table with the India and to solve the dispute all the things, but it's not true. He is doing a table, but as well as who fight at border. This is not a good thing, and the China is very very clever, and this is not good for the China people, and the China people who want to get the job, but the China is a communist party and his views is very bad. He think that he spread his line of control and boundary lines. This is not good for the any country, but this time only one country, China, who think about that. And this time it is very difficult. I don't know why, because China does not want to investigate that about the coronavirus at Wuhan, so he is doing the another way who fight the boundary line of the 14 country. And one of them is India. India stands are very strongly response to the China, and this time the China is worried about that. He think that he can handle easily to India, but now the India is very better in position, and all the country who support to India except Pakistan and Nepal. So India is a very strong country, and I think this is the main problem. China is the very uh, clever and who think he spread the his boundary wall to the all the country, and who captured the economy policy and the land problems and etc etc. This time who acquired the land in Pakistan as well as China and the Nepal, and Nepal, he is also the Communist Party, so his views is common and matching to the China. So my friends, what do you think about that? Please comment and subscribe my channel. So this is good for this channel, and we can share the another problems next day. Thanks and Jai Hind.